Good morning, students. 8th Standard Science, Unit 2, Force and Pressure. Introduction. We see many objects in our daily life. Some of them are moving and some of them are at rest. A ball at rest moves when it is kicked. Similarly, when we push or pull the objects which are at rest, they begin to move. This push or pull is called force. A force acting in a particular area produces pressure. For example, when we fasten a nail on the wall, the pressure is exerted. Not only solids, gases, and liquids also exert pressure. Pressure exerted by liquids and gases finds application in different fields. Hydraulic lift and hydraulic brake are working due to liquid pressure. In this lesson, you will study about the force and pressure. You will also study about the surface tension, viscosity and friction. Force. We do so many activities in our daily life like opening a door, kicking a football, striking a carom, etc. To do these activities, an external agency is needed. This external agency is called force. Force can either set an object at rest into motion or being a moving object to at rest. It can even change the shape and size of the certain objects. Force is defined as an external agency which changes to or tends to change the state of rest or the state of uniform motion of a body or the direction of a moving body or the shape of a body. Force is a vector quantity which has magnitude and direction. It is measured by a unit called Newton, represented by capital N. The effects of force. Observe the strokes. A batsman in cricket game, if he wants to hit the cricket ball to the boundary, the striking force on the ball must be greater. So the greater the force you apply on your body, greater will be its effect on it. If you prick a blow up balloon with a single pin, it will burst. But this did not happen even though many more pins were picking the balloon. A single pin produces a large pressure over a small area. But when the large number of pins prick a body, each pin exerts a very little pressure on the balloon. As the applied force gets distributed over a large surface on the body, so the balloon will not burst. Thus, we can conclude that the effect of a force depends upon the magnitude of the force and the area where which it is acts. The force acting perpendicularly on a given surface area of a body is also known as thrust. It is measured by the unit Newton. 2.2 Pressure. The effect of force can be measured using by a physical quantity called pressure. It can be defined as the amount of force or thrust acting perpendicularly on the surface area of 1 square meter of a body. Pressure is equal to thrust or force divided by area. That is, pressure is equal to F by A. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal, named after the French scientist Blaise Pascal. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton meter square. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Pressure exerted by a force depends upon the magnitude of the force and the area of contact. The effects of pressure can be increased by increasing the thrust or by decreasing the surface area of the body. The axe, nail, knife, injection needle, bullet, etc. are having a soft, fine edges so as to exert a larger pressure on the smaller area of the body in order to produce maximum effect. Examples: more number of wheels are provided for heavy goods carrier for decreasing the pressure, thereby increasing the area of contact on the road. Broader stops are provided on a backpack for giving less pressure on the shoulders by providing a larger area of contact with the shoulder.
Good morning, students. 8th standard material reading term 1, unit 2, force and pressure. Roman letter 1, assertion and reason. Mark the choice as option A. If both assertion and reason are true, then the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Option B. If both assertion and reason are true, then the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Option C. If the assertion is true, then the reason is false. Option D. If the assertion is false, then the reason is true. Question number 1. Assertion. Sharp knives are used to cut vegetables. Assertion. Sharp knives are used to cut vegetables. Reason. Sharp edges exert more pressure. Answer. Option A. Both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Question number 2. Assertion. Broad straps are used in bags. Reason. Broad strap lasts for long life. Answer. Both assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Answer. Broad straps provided in a backpack for giving a lower pressure on the shoulders by providing a larger area of contact with the shoulder. Question number 3. Assertion. Water cider slides easily on the surface of water. Reason. Water cider experiences less buoyancy force. Answer. The assertion is true but the reason is false. Answer. Due to the surface tension of water. Roman letter 2. Answer the following questions. Give 2 examples. To verify that a force changes the shape of a body. Example 1. Spring. The pulling force on spring which causes elongation. The compressive force which compresses the spring force causes a change in the size of the spring. Example 2. Rubber band. Simple example is a rubber band. On applying a force with our hand, we can change its shape. But as soon as we stop applying the force, it goes back to its initial shape. Question number 2. Give 2 examples to verify that a force tends to change the static condition of a body. When we push a block of cotton having some substances in it or the cart in the shopping mall, it is an application. Others include the force given by engines to a resting bus or train it to starts to move along roads or tracks. Question number 3. Taking out paste from a toothpaste tube is an example to highlight which physical property? We use our muscular force to take out paste from a toothpaste tube. As a result, the shape of the tube gets changed. Question number 4. What do you feel when you touch a nail immediately after it is hammered into a wooden plank? Why? Answer. The heat of nail becomes warm when it is hammered into a plank of wood. The kinetic energy of the moving hammer is converted into heat when it strikes the head of the nail. Due to this heat energy, the temperature of head of the nail increases. I am repeating again. The kinetic energy of the moving hammer is converted into heat energy when it strikes the head of the nail. Due to this heat energy, the temperature of head of the nail increases. Roman letter 4. Question number 5. Describe an experiment to prove that the pressure in a liquid increases with depth. Take a plastic bottle, punch 3 holes on its side in the same direction, but at different heights. Now pour some water into it and let it flow the holes. Observe the flow of water. Inference. The water comes out from all the holes with a different force. Water from the lowest hole comes out with the greatest force. Water from the topmost hole comes out with the least force. Reason: the activity confirms that the pressure in a liquid varies with the depth of the point of observation in it. Thank you.